Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by draining a 12 Oz can of crab and keeping a little liquid in case you need it. This preserves flavor and prevents dryness. In a bowl, mix 1 cup breadcrumbs, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons mayo, and 1 teaspoon mustard. These binders hold the cakes without heaviness. Add 1/2 teaspoons salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, and a tablespoon of chopped parsley for brightness. Once done, gently fold in the crab, taking care not to overwork it so lumps remain intact. After mixing, form the mixture into 8 even patties, each about 2 inches thick, and press gently so they hold shape but stay tender. This helps them cook evenly. Once formed, place them on parchment and chill for 20 to 30 minutes. Chilling firms the patties and reduces breakage during cooking. Before cooking, lightly dust each cake with 2 tablespoons of flour or panko for a crisp exterior. Make sure to handle them minimally when transferring to the pan to keep them intact. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a skillet over medium heat and pan-sear the chilled crab cakes for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until a golden crust forms. Flip once to avoid tearing. Once cooked, drain on paper towels and serve hot with lemon and your favorite sauce, tartar or remoulade, and a sprinkle of parsley for color. If a cake falls apart, stop and add 1 egg or extra breadcrumbs to the mix, then rest and rechill. This restores binding without changing flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.